Here we will provide an overview of the IPReports version 2 equipment use template and show how easy it is to add your equipment into your report. The Equipment Used for Testing section allows you to import any test equipment used in your thermometric test, automatically allocating the details into your report. Any equipment that is not required can be easily removed. Any other equipment used, such as weighing scales, can also be added. Along with calibration information if required. This allows you to add in any additional equipment, tailoring the report to your specific requirements. Serial numbers and details are persistent, so they don't require entering for every report. Persistent text is demonstrated here with the pH meter. IPReports remembers what you have entered for previous reports. If you need to add even more equipment, simply pull in another Equipment Use section. The Equipment Use section is very flexible, allowing you to hide and add equipment as required. In order to help you with report accuracy, the section cannot be saved as complete unless all sections have either been completed or hidden. Make sure that you watch our other IPReports version 2 demonstrations showing how the software can benefit your process validation reporting.